In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Aromatherapy chamber on the top side of your Sundance 880 series hot tub. Your spa is equipped with a topside aromatherapy chamber, making it easy to add a little extra relaxation. Before you start, make sure all the pumps are off. Then remove the top cap and the inner cap by turning both counterclockwise. Drop in your SunSense aromatherapy insert and tighten the caps, turning them clockwise. Once it's installed, wake up the display panel and turn on the blower by pressing the pump icon and the blower icon. The air from the blower will pass through the chamber, carrying the subtle scent up through the bubbles for a soothing aromatherapy experience. Now you can enjoy your favorite aroma while relaxing in your spa. For more setup tips and features, be sure to explore other Sundance tutorials from The Great Escape. See you next time.